So this is how it looks when you go fishing here in the Cebu, Panabo, in the seaport, the coastal road na bridge. So yan yung port, and yan sa dulo may dalawang tao, ano, at saka sa kabila pa sa susunod na yan. So this is what it looks like sometimes around 5 PM to 6. Marami nagtatambay, tapos kadalasan yung ano nagpi-fishing dito ng gabi 6 to 8, at sometimes mayroon pang ano 10 PM na nagpi-fishing.